More Jamaicans, especially the younger population, are being diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright says while the mental condition cannot be cured, it can be managed. TVJ Shamela Pullen has more in this evening's edition of the Health Report.
Famous people including the former Prime Minister of the United Kingdom, Sir Winston Churchill, the mother of modern nursing, Florence Nightingale, and international singer Mariah Carey are among an estimated 60 million people worldwide who have been diagnosed with bipolar disorder. Bipolar disorder, formerly called manic depression, is a mental illness that is oftentimes caused by genetics. Locally, consultant psychiatrist Dr. Earl Wright says at least 5% of the Jamaican population suffers from the condition. However, they're seeing teenagers as young as 14 with the condition.
Bipolar disorder goes through the whole spectrum. You find it's picked up at different times. But we're finding these days that we are diagnosing bipolar disorder in a younger group of people. But it's possible that we are recognizing the symptoms of bipolar disorder at an earlier age.
People with bipolar disorder may have trouble sleeping. They sometimes have difficulty doing everyday tasks, whether at school or work. They even have trouble maintaining relationships.
They will say they own large buildings, they are a big actor, and they big up themselves excessively, and which is not true. But in their minds, it's true. They feel that way. So these are the sort of person that give you the wrong impression, and when you talk to them, they are out of touch with the reality of the situation.
While there is no cure for bipolar disorder, Dr. Wright says the symptoms can be managed.
Like you treat schizophrenia or schizoaffective disorder with medication, a different type of medication. Most of the time, the bipolar disorder is treated with a mood stabilizer and an antipsychotic, and it's a condition that needs to be treated for the rest of the individual's life.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.